Di sebuah desa di Waigeo, Raja Ampat, Janine Freuling menemukan keramahan warga yang begitu luar biasa. Yuk, kita lihat keseruannya, dan jangan lupa dukung juga channel Janine Freuling.
Morning everyone, welcome to this new video. It is time to go to the big island. We're gonna go to Waigeo, if I'm pronouncing that well. We're packing everything, or everything is packed already. We're loading the boat up, as you can see. It's gonna be a 3 hours boat ride. And here you can see how they always cover everything. And
Perjalanan menuju Waigeo ternyata bukan perjalanan singkat. Mereka harus menempuh perjalanan laut selama berjam-jam, dan justru perjalanan inilah yang membuat penasaran. Seperti apa kehidupan dan keramahan warga yang akan mereka temui di sana?
Raja Ampat. I will include this in my guide as well. Here you can see the houses. They're still building this one. And the owner, his name is Thomas, he is building everything from scratch. He is the sweetest person ever. We've met so many nice owners of the homestays and they're all so sweet and pure and people are always worried about stealing. But I feel like they don't.
Setelah keluar dari homestay, mereka mulai melihat lebih dekat suasana di sekitar tempat menginap. Dari sini, mereka bisa merasakan kehidupan masyarakat yang masih sederhana, namun penuh dengan kehangatan dan keramahan.
Coming home, and especially how they treat all of us, it's the best thing ever. Look at this, everyone is here even to wave goodbye. This was such a nice experience. Look, as you can see, he's filling the petrol now, because it's gonna be a 3 hours trip. So cool to see how he does it. This is the owner, by the way. His name.
Bukan cuma tempatnya yang membuat mereka terkesan. Sikap ramah warga di sini ternyata membuat Jani dan temannya merasa begitu diterima, bahkan sejak awal kedatangan mereka.
Oh, we write a review where we come from. That's so good. Suka, kami suka.
Look at this.
Oh, you can do your drawing, Emilia.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that's so cute.
Yes.
This is the first one we've seen in the.
Sebelum melanjutkan perjalanan, mereka mendapat sambutan sederhana yang cukup menarik. Nama dan asal mereka dicatat di sebuah buku, seperti meninggalkan kenangan kecil sebelum berpisah dan melanjutkan perjalanan.
So we are writing in the guest book now. We have our name, and then we write down. We loved this stay so much. Thank you for everything. This place was really, really special. Like it has a place in my heart. Foto? Yeah. Okay. Makasih.
Momen perpisahan pun terasa begitu hangat. Sebelum meninggalkan tempat ini, mereka menyempatkan diri berfoto bersama, dan terlihat jelas betapa bahagianya mereka mendapatkan sambutan seistimewa ini.
Terima kasih. Sampai jumpa. Sampai jumpa means see you again. Dadah.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih ya.
Bye.
Oh, I will really miss them. Like, oh.
Wow, I got goosebumps.
Me too, it feels like coming home and now leaving home
Saat
again.
perahu mulai meninggalkan tempat itu, suasananya berubah menjadi haru. Keramahan warga yang baru mereka kenal ternyata meninggalkan kesan begitu dalam, sampai perpisahan sederhana ini terasa sangat berat.
Walk there now, and then it's gonna be our turn. So we're also gonna look like the tribe people, but we also ordered lunch, so I think lunch is ready any moment. So maybe we're first quickly gonna eat. I'm so excited about it. Oh, this is Paris at the moment. How does it feel?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Connected.
Sesampainya di tujuan, pemandangan yang mereka lihat ternyata cukup berbeda dari bayangan sebelumnya. Di sekitar perairan terlihat banyak sampah plastik yang terbawa arus, sebuah sisi lain yang menunjukkan bahwa keindahan alam juga punya tantangan yang harus dijaga bersama.
We were not really aware of it, but we have noodles, fried noodles, fried rice, rice with fish. I think this is tofu and veggies. This was actually one dish, I think, and then the chicken. It looks really good. Selamat makan.
Papa.
Yeah.
Setelah melihat kondisi di sekitar perairan, mereka kemudian melanjutkan perjalanan menuju sebuah rumah yang berada tepat di sisi laut. Dari sini, mereka mulai melihat lebih dekat bagaimana kehidupan warga di kawasan tersebut.
This is so funny. It is a little bit later. We had a little nap and just chilled because this boat ride was pretty exhausting. And As if you've seen my last videos, Emilia has some big wounds on the back of her legs. And I also have one here. I will not show too much detail, but it's pretty deep. It's because of all...
Setelah melewati kondisi perairan tadi, perjalanan mereka akhirnya membawa sampai ke sebuah desa kecil. Di tempat inilah mereka akan melihat lebih dekat kehidupan masyarakat lokal dan suasana Raja Ampat dari sisi yang berbeda.
Fix it, so we're gonna go now I think to her house and she's gonna cook something with herbs. I don't know exactly what, I'm gonna show you everything and then we have to put it on it and then it's gonna heal, and I really love that, and they are so nice that they want to help us. So now they invited us to their place and we're gonna go there. Probably gonna do camping tomorrow. That's really exciting. I think that's gonna be in the next video, so don't forget to subscribe already.
Memasuki desa, perhatian mereka kemudian tertuju pada sebuah warung kecil di pinggir jalan. Mereka pun mendekat untuk melihat lebih dekat suasana dan aktivitas warga di sana.
It's really famous, but more about that in the next video. First, let's try to fix this and see the local village a little bit. So it's in the pink house, it's over here. Hello! Oh, it's a little bit dark here. Hello, Boo!
Hello.
So this is the kitchen. Hello! Hello! Look, I think she's...
Tak hanya melihat-lihat, mereka pun mampir untuk membeli beberapa camilan di warung tersebut. Hal sederhana seperti ini justru membuat perjalanan mereka terasa semakin dekat dengan kehidupan warga setempat.
Rambut.
It's good for your hair.
Seperti orang India. Biasa pakai minyak kelapa
You get
kampung.
hair like orang India?
Yes.
Really?
Pernah kita. Orang India tinggal dengan kita. Dia pakai ini, pakai keramas. Baru dia mencuci. Dia bicara.
People from India.
Yes.
When they come and stay here.
And they show the coconut oil is good for the hair growing, like you get really strong Indian
Setelah
hair.
selesai dari warung, mereka kembali melanjutkan langkah menyusuri desa. Perjalanan sederhana ini perlahan memperlihatkan sisi kehidupan lokal yang jarang terlihat oleh wisatawan.
Juga.
Orang Papua. Orang Raja Ampat.
Okay, so now we need the cotton. We have it in our house, and then with the pliers. Whoa, my nose is so red. Yes. What's that? It's burned. My nose is so red. I mean,
Singgah sebentar di desa ini menjadi salah satu momen kecil yang begitu berkesan sebelum mereka kembali ke perahu dan melanjutkan perjalanan. Tapi petualangan mereka masih panjang, karena masih ada kejutan lain yang menanti di depan. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan bunyikan loncengnya agar kalian tidak ketinggalan perjalanan berikutnya. Perjalanan yang indah bukan hanya tentang tujuan, tetapi tentang cerita yang tercipta di sepanjang jalan.